Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful treetopper bow or wreath bow. So let's get started. First thing that I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire. I kind of fold it in half before I cut it, and I want it long enough so that it just goes into my Bowdabra, tucks underneath, and just stays out of the way. Next thing I'm going to do is take some of my buffalo plaid. We're just going to scrunch this down in here, and now we have our tails. I love this ribbon because it has like a felt feeling to it. Then what I'm going to do is start by taking the right side of my ribbon, twisting it, and folding it back over, but we want to make sure that the wrong side of the ribbon is on the inside of the loop. So that's why we twist. So we're going to twist it here and scrunch it down. I'm going to fold it back, twist it, and scrunch it down. Now the thing about this ribbon is that it is a wired ribbon. I like for treetopper bows to make them out of wire, and because then they hold up and you can keep the same bow year after year and still use it. So we're just going to fold it here, twist it, scrunch it down. Do the same thing here, fold it, twist it, and scrunch it in, and come back and fold, twist, and scrunch. And come back over here, and we're going to fold it. I'm just going to make littler loops in the middle, fold it, bring it back, and this time I'm just going to scrunch this down into the center, and the right side will be on the right side. So now I'll take my Bowdabra wand and give everything a really good scrunch down. Now I could keep going and make this bigger if I wanted, but I think this is a really good demonstration for what you need. Also, if you wouldn't mind, please click the subscribe button on YouTube or the follow us on Facebook. Thanks so much for that. And now you have this absolutely beautiful bow. And all I have to do here is tie it off, and we're going to just shape it. Make sure that my felt side is on top, and I'm just going to put my fingers into the loops to give them shape. And again, this is what I love about the wired ribbon, is it just shapes so well. Bring this around here, shape it, and you have this absolutely gorgeous bow.